Association of Msap Alumni Manipur Amadi Divisional Forest Officers Central Forest Division na KHUTSHAMNANA SHINDUNA CHATLIBA CHAHI ASHIDA AHUMLAK SUBA OINA IMPHAL East District ki MANUNGCHANBA LOUSHANGKHONG Primary School amadi LOUSHANGKHONG da LOUSHANGKHONG NINGOL ban HOUDOKTUNA UPAL THABAGI THOURAM ama ngasi PANGTHOKKHRE THOURAM aduda DF Officer Bikram Suresh nade IAF Lokong Sangi Ward Member Takelamba Samjai Research and Development MIU gi Director su OIDB Association of Msap Alumni Manipur ki President Professor Dr. TS Sinha LWDC LOUSHANGKHONG gi Treasurer H. Yamanandana athoiba mithung lensing oina sarukya ki thoram aduda DFO Bikram Suresh nandi IAF na CHATLIBA CHAHI ASHIDA NINGOL van HOUDOKPAGI taruk SUBA OINA LOUSHANGKHONG mapigani LOUSHANGKHONG NINGOL van HOUDOKPAGA loinana LOUSHANGKHONG gi NINGOL singa loinana LOUSHANGKHONG Primary School gi campus amadi Kenel gi LOUSHANGKHONG gi NINGOL chamaga kunlomda uhai panba urum langba SHINDUNA ta laiba makhal gi upal kaya thaki amadi ujara thariba miyoi gi mingda QR code thet ki wanganglo kyana su LOUSHANGKHONG gi miyamna environment ngakna ba hotnabada chingda upal igyan thatpa thingkiba amadi hojik su umang yokhatna ba lauriba thodang singbu singthaki amadi makhata na miyam puna amukasu upal thaduna umang yokhatpada thodang laurase ba wafam sing phongdoki thoramge athoi ba mithul lengi warolda Bikram Suresh nande IFS na Hongdokibada Manipur asi mehrol lagi hongna nupi singa chokpat thorangi senmitlon gi lengak lon hiram kayada mangjil thana thodang lodun lai nupi lan malem na khangnari Manipur gi ima kaithel asina nupi singkhakti gi ahan ba kaithel oina sakhangnari maram asina environment kan bada upal thaba amadi hingna ba hotna bada nupi sing ningol sing yauraga di soidana mai pakani habigi pandamda ningol van asi hongdokpani amadi Association of Msap Alumni Manipur ka KHUTSHAMNANA Indiana ahan boy na ningol ban thabak to onthok pangamle amadi ngasigi asina taruklak subani maramasna upal thariba matungda thariba miyoi gi mingda QR code sing thetlabani amadi hingna bachahi ani dangi kupna senabiu ising chaibiu upal sing asina chawraklaga uhai panduna mahi charaklaba matamda environment phabada natana hakchang phanaba amadi economy phagalakpada su mateng pangani haina thajai haiki Professor Dr. Sinha phongdokibada LOUSHANGKHONG da seasonal fruit ki chara kaya thadana upal yokhatna ba hotnabada DFO Central Forest Division na mateng pangbirakpa ishorgi board phangbagumani ngasi thariba upal singna mahai cha bahurakpada lamdam sigi miyamna harawnabada natana mirol kharagi matungda ichena imana ibokna tharamba upalni haiduna luna tawnaduna umangakpada puwari gi anoba lamai amasu hapa ngamgadoribani maramasina miyam punna ngasi thariba upal sing hingna ba hotnaminasi haiki
Upami se tharaga isa-isagi ming se napamdoineba hayeng chahi manga tara lairaba matungda aigi generation after generation na akoi imana tharamba uni akoi ibokna tharamba uni akoi chena tharamba uni habase sigi indication amu laidorabneba adiduna this is the first input akoi QR tawraga isa-isagi ming se pambi se de thelamaga Hamamadongina kaiguma upambi se sigiba taragadi laibak thiduna sanna sathokiba taragadi you have to culture it isa na kitang protection bibiraga sathok jasin tawbada aina tharmo udu hingibro kraimo yorgena so far ai isa na tharamba se tambung khokte ihan hali ai bukul pambi ama tharambani laibakna bhani sum nong yam phasana chubi badege ai gi bukul pambi se yapwange that was in the month of May dhadani kuidribani ihan hana aida khanbada khulang hamsi khoi kenoda tabung kokta kokthokre aina di ai thamoida gi LOUSHANGKHONG sin yam kokningba ado aina hairu khudimata khoi di sanjabong leite khoi di sanpulli aduna upai leiroi lau matamda sumai tawngi si chum se yam haiba but somehow member the aina wari sindijere treasurer of the welfare samananda delire madam adudi tawsina adudi ama phabanina masigi potse tawsi akoi khunsida upambi sana tharaga
areas adjoining to this village. Today, it's really a great honor and privilege to launch the Ningol 1, LOUSHANKHONG Ningol 1. And I would also like to thank Msap Alumni for taking this initiative to a very great height. They have taken this initiative very proactively. They have taken up Ningol 1s in various areas in IMPHAL West, IMPHAL East, and today we are doing it in LOUSHANKHONG. Ningol one, it's really a great initiative. It talks about the immense strength that the women of Manipur have. If we see the history of Manipur, women have always been in the forefront in every sector, be it economy, be it history, be it every sector. So if you see history, we have experienced Nupilans in our state. In every Nupilan, there are 2 Nupilans in our state. In each Nupilan, women were at the forefront. They fought fearlessly. Against the colonial extortion, colonial suppression. So women led the state, women led the people's movement, and women were at the forefront. If you see other sectors